Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the sway bar links. Okay, those right here on a Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner. It will be the same from 2001 all the way until I think 2011. So if you have vibrations and you hear noises coming from the front end of the vehicle, especially when you go through bumps on the road, then most likely it is the sway bar link. This one right here. They tend to get beaten up really bad and they start making really loud noises. So what you need to do first, you need to jog the side that you need to replace, but we recommend doing both sides. It's identical, left and right, so we're going to show you on the left side. And you need to remove the tire, the wheel. And as you can see, this wheel was stuck pretty good, so if you want to see how to prevent that, we have a video on our channel how to do that. And now the sway bar link is right here. This is the factory one, and as you can see, all the grease is out of it and there is a lot of plane. Okay, so now we need to remove this side and the one down there, but we start with the top one first, and you can use a 17mm wrench. Sometimes there will be different sizes, depends on the sway bar link that you have. And on the front with a 15mm socket, and you just take the nut off the bolt. Sometimes they're really rusty there because of the suspension. If you drive in snow or ice, it gets rusty, so you need to spray it with a penetrating oil if you want to take them off easy. And the nut is off now. Now we do the same procedure on the bottom side, but in our case the inner one is 14mm or 9/16. So you need to take the nut off all the way again. Okay, now we're about ready to take the second nut off right there, and now you need a pry bar. You need to go right there, and as you can see, it's going to, when you pry it down, it's going to relieve the pressure off of it, and now you can just pull it out. Okay, this is the old one, and let me show you now. You see everything is broken here, all the grease came out of it, and it has a lot of play in it right there. So that's what's causing all the noise that you can hear inside your vehicle. And the new one, you just install it the same way. Okay, now right there, you can go on the bottom, install it there, and now the top, just like that. You need to go through the hole, it goes in a certain angle, and as you can see, this link comes with the grease. You can grease it actually with the grease gun. So that's a really good quality, because if you grease it every year, you're not going to run into that trouble. But just do not grease it too much to pop the seal, which will make the grease come out and water go in, and they will start going out again. Okay, now you can use this one. The new one is with 14mm nuts, with a 14mm wrench, so we're using the box wrench. That way, if you see the bolt spinning, which will, in this case, you will not be able to get it tight. What you need to do, you need to get a hex key and put the hex key here just to keep the bolt, prevent the bolt from spinning. That way you can get the nut tight all the way. And you need to do that for the top and the bottom as well. So the top is almost done, and make sure that you get them tight, do not leave them loose. And now the bottom one, it's a little bit harder to access, but that's how you do it as well. Okay, and we're almost done. We just got the bottom one tight, and that's the whole procedure for replacing the sway bar link. So you do the right side of the vehicle the same way we did the left side. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to ask us, and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.